Hello folks, John here at ECD Auto Design in Kissimmee, Florida. Today I want to talk to you about a very interesting topic. What does a $300,000 Defender actually gives you? First of all, this is not just a Defender. This is a $300,000 bespoke luxury experience. From day one, our clients embark in a luxury experience from beginning to end. The quality of the materials that we use and the process in which we build these vehicles, it all really takes our clients into an experience like nothing else. From the premium leathers that we use for our cabins and the billet metal touch points that you find in our door handles, this is all coming together, of course, to make a very special ambiance and really take our product to the next level. Now, just as important as the aesthetics of the vehicle is the powertrain options that we offer. And that's why here at ECD we emphasize in providing only the best tested, proven, and most reliable powertrains that we can offer. Now, besides the fact that you're going to have an incredible vehicle that looks not only amazing but drives incredibly well, the ownership experience is something that we pride ourselves here at ECD. From a white glove customer service experience to a personalized bespoke design process to an industry-leading warranty program. All of this together, of course, provide our clients the ultimate ownership experience. So the question remains, is this the best custom SUV money can buy? The answer is absolutely yes. During the past 13 years here at ECD, we have put together some of the most incredible vehicles on the planet, and I guarantee you that yours will be no different. If you have any questions or would like to find out how to start your own journey, please reach out to us anytime.